friends, welcome to Karishma's recipe cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to make Aloo Suki Sabji. So now I'm taking the boiled potatoes. I use around 3 boiled potatoes and I make it in small pieces. So now I'm using around 5 spoon of oil, a vegetable oil. Half spoon of cumin seed. And some thinly chopped green chilies and coriander. A fresh coriander, you can see I thinly chopped. I'm using 1 spoon of dry garlic. Some black pepper. And saute for 2 minutes. Now I'm adding some ginger powder. Now I'm adding salt to taste. One teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. The masala cooked now, and I'm adding now, I chopped 3 boiled potatoes. So I chopped them in small sizes. I'm going to mix them well together. a very quick recipe. It don't take much time. Looks so beautiful. Keep saute at least 4 to 5 minutes. So all the ingredients are mixed in the potato. And now I'm adding some curry leaves. I'm going to crush them. You see this? I'm adding now some curry leaves. So it gives you a fresh aroma. You can see now my potato bhaji is ready. It's called the Aloo Suki Sabji. Aloo means potato and Suki means dry. Sabji means dry, vegan. So you can see now my potato looks so beautiful. It's perfectly cooked and ready to serve. It's perfectly cooked now. Take it out in bowl. And you can see this is the beautiful come out. My potatoes, Aloo Suki Sabji. Friends, please subscribe my channel, Karishma's Recipe Cookbook on YouTube. Like, comment and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon because you're going to see every time a new variation, new dishes, so many types of things added. We will show you so many different varieties in our Karishma's Recipe Cookbook. So please subscribe our channel, like, comment and share as much as you can, and keep watching our videos. Thank you.